Melanie with Vintage Makeovers for Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and work on this one today. We're gonna do kind of a simple finish, but we're gonna give it a lot of bang and a real elegant look. You wanna hang out with me? That's awesome. Here we go. All right, first things first, let's get this guy all cleaned up. I am using TSB and I'm gonna give it a good rub down. Now it's time to get those drawers out of there so we can get going. All right, I am starting off with Bohemian Blue by DIY. I'm gonna go ahead and give this entire thing a base coat, except for the top and those drawers. Notice that I'm getting inside the frame a little bit. These drawers, when they squish in all the way, sometimes they can show that little border, so it's important to get that. And if you've watched any of my videos before, you have probably seen me change my mind and decide I'm going to change it up. I didn't like that blue. I'm going to go ahead and go back over it with a little black dress. Now that I have all my little black dress on there and it's nice and dry, I'm going to go back with my sander. I have 220 grit on there. I'm just going to give it a nice smooth finish. This is Wise Owl Furniture Salve. It has so many uses, but today we're going to use it to freshen up our wood and seal our entire piece with it. As you'll see here in a minute, I'm going to go ahead and hit the inside of the drawers. Really take a look at the difference. Wow, what a way to freshen them up and save your piece. It moisturizes it, and it comes in lots of different scents. And there's a shot of it half salved and half not. It's pretty amazing the difference that it makes. So a little dab will do you. Just barely dip your salve brush into the salve and then start applying it in long strokes. And you can see it just soaks right in, penetrates, and really, really rejuvenates and revives. Check this out. So I always get so excited whenever I do the inside of old furniture drawers. It's just amazing how much better they look. Now that we let that sit for just a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and just buff the tops, the sides, the fronts, but the inside of the drawers, I'm going to let them sit. So here we are at the store. We're almost done. We're going to put the hardware back on. Spray painted it last night. Chose these ones. All right, guys, that's it. So we used Bohemian Blue, then we went back over it with Little Black Dress. We didn't like that. We decided to keep the wood because the wood is awesome on this piece. So what I did was just freshen it up with Wise Owl Furniture Salve. It's a refresher, rejuvenator, and it's a sealer. So we sealed all the paint with that also. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.